Hello and welcome everyone. I, Ms. Atiya N. Khan Pathan, Assistant Professor at Engineering Science Department in All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, is going to brief you about the environmental air pollution and water pollution. So these are the pictures of the pollution created by humankind on the globe, on Earth. So severity of the pollution can be seen from these pictures. Environmental pollution. It is basically an undesirable change in chemical and biological characteristics of environment. The CO2 that is released into atmosphere due to burning of fossil fuels is not easily dissipated, resulting into global warming and melting of polar ice caps to flood our coastal cities. According to a classification of the pollution is according to environment and according to pollutants. So according to environment, pollution is further divided into water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. And according to pollutants, these are the pollutants released into the atmosphere, which causes pollution. Air pollution. According to Indian standards IS 4167-1966, air pollution is defined as the presence in ambient atmosphere of substance generally resulting from the activity of man in sufficient concentration, present for a sufficient time and under circumstances such as to interfere with the comfort, health, or welfare of persons or enjoyment of the property. Sources of air pollution are the natural sources and artificial sources. So in this way, the pollutants are, you can see, emitted into the atmosphere. The sources of air pollution are stationary sources, which are further divided into point source and area sources, which is the industrial process, power plants, solid waste disposal, and municipal incineration. Area sources are residential sources, industrial sources, on-site incineration, and commercial sources. Mobile sources are line sources and area sources. So along the line, the pollution is through highway vehicles, rails, roads, and channel vessels. And in the area sources, motor vehicles, port vessels, and aircrafts. Classification of pollutants are primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Primary pollutants are those which are directly emitted from an identifiable source. Example, NOx, SOx, etc. Secondary pollutants are those which are produced in air by interaction of two or more primary air pollutants. Example, ozone, Ozone is a colorless, unstable, toxic gas with a pungent odor and powerful oxidizing properties formed by oxygen from oxygen by electrical discharge or ultraviolet light. It differs from normal oxygen. So, during precipitation, decayed vegetation, animals, debris, etc. gets carried away in natural water bodies. And in man-made, rapid industrialization, excess use of pesticides, haphazard growth of cities, negligence of governing bodies. So here you can see the source of water pollution, the pictorial representation of the sources of water pollution. The suitability of drinking water is, you can see the pH. In this table, it explains the characteristics and desirable values for the suitability of the drinking water. pH should be between 6.5 to 8, and hardness should be 200 of total as CaCO3. Turbidity should be 5 on Jackson turbidity scale. Taste and odor should be unobjectionable, and color should be 5 on platinum cobalt scale. Effects of water pollution are the spreads, waterborne diseases, etc., cholera, gastrointestinal disease, etc. It affects the aquatic life by depleting oxygen level. Photosynthesis process is affected, imparts color, odor that is objectionable, making water turbid and anesthetic. So here you can see in the pictures how the polluted water affects the aquatic life, human life, etc. Then remedial measures to abate water pollution is ban on intermixing of solid or untreated waste in water bodies, discouraging uncontrolled use of pesticides, ban on activities like bathing, washing, etc. in water bodies, and regular cleaning of water bodies. Public awareness should be brought so that less of water pollution will occur on the globe. So Water Pollution Prevention Act is to be implemented. That is Water Act 1974, to enforce law against the people having more of the water pollution or